Most drone strikes on tanks lead either to a damaged tank or possibly to an immobilized tank, as drones can carry shape-charged warhead which have good penetration capability, but tanks are meant to withstand a punch but not necessarily to carry on after that. But as Soviet tanks and now Russian tanks store rounds inside the tank with the crew, if the warhead penetrates and hits the ammunition, the built-up pressure of all the ammunition detonating can result in the turret being thrown up in the air. As this weighs tons, the amount of energy is absolutely insane. As this Russian tank was hit in the back section on top of the turret, the warhead manages to penetrate into the ammunition, causing the turret to fly up almost 100 meters based on the drop time, absolutely obliterating the tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.